Stupid mode button. Here we go. Get it first. And away we go. So this is my second attempt at filming for my... This is my second attempt for my new YouTube channel. It's called Riding with Robin. And so this is our second little video we've done with our Sena camera. Hope this one works out. Just learning all this stuff on my own. Okay, here we go, Mary. Hang on. Come on, duckies. Out of the road. Come on, duckies. So, that's country life. We also have 4 dogs of our own, plus the grandson has 2 with his girlfriend. We have 2 cats, and I gotta put my shield. So we have 4 dogs plus the 2 that the grandson and his girlfriend have, and then we have 2 cats, 2 big cats. We have 4 chickens, 2 pigeons, and 3 guinea fowl. And then in the house I have some diamond doves, and I also have some fish, sorted fish. So you can tell we like animals. We live in central Washington State. We live about 125 or 130 miles from Seattle, but on the other side of the mountains. So where we live, it gets very hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. Sometimes down to about minus 12, that's about all. So this is all farmland, a lot of growing hay and alfalfa and beef. We grow our own beef. It's the Texas Longhorn. It's about the leanest meat you can get, grass-fed. We just grow enough to butcher every couple years. So with our Texas Longhorns, we are down to only 3 producing cows right now. We actually only got 2 calves this year so far. Not sure if the other cow lost the calf or isn't producing this year, but we didn't get a calf from her. So both the calves we got this year, we got a little heifer and a little bull calf. Same gentleman bought both of them, so he'll be picking those up in September when they're weaned. And then we just sold our steer for, he'll be home slaughtered in August. We don't let them go off the property for that. Figure it's less traumatic if they're at home. ago. We adopted her from the Humane Society. They had found her and her 3 puppies dumped along the freeway in Yakima, and so they were brought to the shelter. We initially went there to adopt one of her babies, but come to find out someone had adopted all 3, so my husband seen her and fell in love with her, and she's a great little dog. Sherry's probably about close to 4 years old now, because the vet thought she was probably about 3. Who knows what kind of hard way she had decided to even jump alongside the freeway. About these the only thing about full helmets is the shield sometimes fogs up on me, so I have to keep lifting it, so you might see my fingers in the camera. So I think I'm just gonna make this a short little trip for her, being it's her first trip out for a while. I'll stop at my mailbox and get the mail and head back in. So lots of times you'll see my husband out front of me on his Harley, but today he actually had to work. So anyway, that's the way it goes. Well, maybe I'll just wait and get the mail later. Here comes the cows. The one out front of everybody's the bull. That's Radar. So, excuse me, I hope you enjoyed our little ride today. And we hope to get out there and do a longer one soon. The nice thing about this rig is that it has reverse. Just takes me a while to remember how to do my reverse. So here we go. I'm gonna shut this camera down probably in a second. Park it here for a minute. Did you like that little trip, Mary? Did you like that? Just a minute. Excuse me. Of course, my phone's not going to recognize my face when I got this helmet on. And I got my chipmunk cheeks. Chipmunk cheeks. Okay. Now we'll turn this off, okay? Up on the top is my button. There it is.